Hey YouTubers, we're back again. This is going to be day 2 of putting down that floor in the office. And I kind of realized that I kind of didn't show y'all the flooring that we got. I was supposed to videotape us getting it, but it was spur of the moment. We ran in there just to look at something else and we end up finding a flooring that I liked more. And it happened to be on sale. So we jumped on it, but wanted to kind of show you the progress that we've been making. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's wonderful. So we have that little bit left to do over there, and we're gonna be finishing off the closet today. So while I still have 2 bundles left, I'm gonna show y'all the exact stuff. I know it's upside down. Let's see if I can get a good view of it. But that's it. I'm not for sure if you can find the exact same brand, but pretty much all that vinyl flooring like that is pretty much the same. We checked out many brands and they all interlock with all the other brands that we have bought. So we like it. It's easy to put in. I guess the only trick that you really do have is that whenever you are connecting the corners, which is where you have 3 pieces that you're connecting to, it gets a little bit tricky because you have to lift, click, slide, and then fold down. But it will let you know that if it's clicked in or not. Sometimes you'll hear that click and then it will lay flat. But if it lays up just a little bit, that means it's in there wrong. You got to push it a little bit more. Only a few pieces that we actually had to tap in. We do have a tap in block, and it is ending up being that I probably will get away with not having any floor trim. So we are doing it as snug as we can get it. If it holds down, I won't have to have a floor trim, and I love that because it looks nice and smooth. So no trim. The reason why I kind of really don't want the trim is because this being an office and everything, I want my desk to be flat against the wall so nothing falls off that desk. So that way I don't have to worry about that, and I'm gonna love it. So we're gonna get back to it today and finish it up, and y'all can come along and watch. All right, bye for now.
Okay, YouTubers, that is going to conclude the videos for the flooring. Unfortunately, when I reviewed all the footage, I realized that I did not cover the closet, but we did get it done and it is beautiful. It took us a very short amount of time to actually do that closet because it is so small, but it did help out too because me, my dad, and the camera in there would have been pretty snug. So we finished it up. Like I said, it's very simple to lay. If you are a DIYer, it's one of the fun parts. It's kind of like playing Jenga, I guess. But anybody can do it, even if you've never tried it before. I do recommend trying it at least because the thing is you're not gluing down anything. You can. I've heard people that use little staples or glue it down if you have to, if you have a floor that will not work with you and they won't lay flat. But it makes it super simple. So if you ever want to redo your floor, it's not hard to take back up. Unfortunately, like the flooring that was down there before, it was pill and stick laminate over some other type of glue down flooring. So it was very tricky. It comes out,
comes off in pieces whenever you go to rip that up. So a lot of cleanup, a lot of scraping, all kinds of stuff to do with it. But this flooring is completely waterproof. Makes it very simple to clean. I have a little Swiffer mop, and I've already mopped it, and it's just wonderful to actually mop and clean up. I will try to get some footage of it completely done, and possibly put in the next video, which I will be hanging the shelves in the closet. So go ahead and get that done. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and come along with us for the next one and see what we can get into in our spare time. We have a few other projects we're going to get to. Hopefully you will join us for those. And until then, I'm done for now. Bye. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.